Most businesses have just enough money to survive a month. The right financing can help you weather a crisis or take advantage of an opportunity. The wrong financing can sink your business. It's crucial that you know the difference. I'm the co-author of Finance Your Own Business with Rich Dad advisor and attorney Garrett Sutton. I've been interviewed in more than 3,500 news stories, and I've even testified before Congress. I'm Education Director for NAV, which helps match entrepreneurs with financing options around the country. My passion is helping you get the tools you need to make smart decisions to grow your business. I'm going to explain the top 10 most popular types of financing and what it takes to qualify. You'll also learn how to avoid costly pitfalls. Don't wait until you feel backed in a corner. Learn how to find the financing you need now. Click the button on this page and let's get started helping you get WealthFit.